Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to restrict editing of your document in MS Word. This restrict editing option we can get in a protect group of review tab. This restrict editing option helps to limit how much users can edit or else format your document. This restrict editing option helps to limit how much users can edit or else format your document. After clicking on this restrict editing option, here vertical pane will be displayed at right side of your window. Next one, in this restrict editing option, two options we can see. First one is what? Formatting restriction. Next one is what? Editing restrictions. If you want to restrict the formatting of your document, then this formatting restriction option we need to use. Next one is what? Editing. If you wanted to restrict editing of your document, then this editing restrictions option you need to use. First I will start with the formatting restrictions. Here one checkbox you can see. If you want to apply this formatting restriction option, and then you need to check this box. Next one, here after selecting this option, here yes start enforcing protection option will be displayed here. You need to click on this yes start enforcing protection to I enter the password for formatting of your document. Here you need to enter the password, and again you need to re-enter the same password for confirmation here. Click on OK to continue. And here what will happen, you see, I will click on home tab. Here you can see options of this font and paragraph group are hidden here. You can't use. Now these all options of font and paragraphs options are deactivated now you can't able to apply the formattings on this document because you have applied restrict formatting in this document. So if you want to remove the restrictions, then you need to click on stop protection here, and then you need to enter the same password to remove protection, and then click on OK to remove. Next option you can see here. Now I will remove this formatting restrictions, and next option is what? Editing restrictions. Now again I will click on this checkbox. Then here the same option you can see here. Yes, start enforcing the protection. But one more option is active here. You can see if you wanted to restrict editing of this document for everyone, then you need to activate this checkbox of everyone, and then click on yes start enforcing protection, and here you need to enter the password and click on OK to continue. Now you can see whenever I keep cursor on my document, that all options are hidden here. Means all editing options are hidden. You can't able to edit the document. And if you want to remove, then you need to click on the same option, stop protection, and then again you need to enter the password to remove here. And one more advantage of this editing restrictions, you can you can apply these editing restrictions for a selected text also. So now I will select these two paragraphs here. Okay. Now I will apply these editing restrictions. Now I will select for everyone. Then say yes to enforce the protection. Then you need to enter the password here and click on OK to continue. Now you can see whenever I keep cursor in this paragraph, then you can edit this. You can edit this paragraph, or else you can apply any formattings on this text, this selected text. But whatever text was out of that paragraph selected text, then that text has got restricted here. You can't add any text, you can't edit the text. This is called as restrict editing or else restrict formatting of your document. And if you want to remove, you need to follow the same steps here. Click on stop protection, and again you need to enter the password to remove, and click on OK to continue. I hope you all might have understood how to restrict editing and formatting of your document. And thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.